Alright, here we go. Here we go. Number 9. Find all the solutions to this system of equations right here. Alright. Well, to me, it looks like I could easily eliminate this if I multiply the top by 4 or multiply the bottom by -3. Either one, you're going to work. So, maybe we'll multiply the bottom by -3, because then that'll get rid of some of that big numbers there, which is -3x squared plus 12y squared equals -36. And then we have the 3x squared plus y squared equals 49 from the top. Add those up. These cancel. This gives me 13y squared equals 49 minus 36 happens to be 13. Divide by 13. I get y squared equals 1. Take the square root. Be careful here. Y is plus or minus 1. So there's two solutions here. One where y is positive 1 and one where y is negative 1. So now you need to plug in a 1 and a -1 to solve for x. So just plug it in here for x squared. Or I'd take this bottom equation because it's already solved for x squared. So I'd say x squared minus 4 times 1 squared equals 12. So that's going to be x squared minus 4 equals 12. Add the 4. You get x squared equals 16. Take the square root. I get x equals plus or minus 4. Oh, okay. Well, now that's kind of crazy. There's actually 4 answers then. Because when x is 1, you get plus or minus 4. And when x is -1, you get plus or minus 4. So actually, okay. So at 1, there's a plus 4 and a -4. Now watch, if I plug in -1, watch what happens here, folks. Do you see it? -1 squared is just 1. And 1 times -4 is -4. So you're going to get the same answers for -1. So you're going to get a 4 and a -4. So, that's a little tricky. There's 4 answers there. Okay. There you go. Number 10. Use matrix information below to solve the system. Give your answers in ordered triple. So they give you A. They give you A inverse. And they tell you this. Okay, so if you set up a matrix equation, it would look something like this. 24, -18, -5, 20, -15, -4, -5, 4, 1, times x, y, z equals 4, 1, 3. Call this A, call this x, call this B. The way we get rid of A is we multiply by its inverse. And what I do to one side of the equal sign, I have to do to the other. So really all I have to do is take the inverse times B. They give me the inverse. -1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 4, -5, 6, 0. I actually have to multiply that by 4, 1, 3. And I have my answer. So this is a 3 by 3. This is a 3 by 1. So the middle inside terms match, so it can be multiplied. Outside is my new matrix, which is going to be a 3 by 1. So to find row 1, column 1, I take row 1 times column 1 and add them up. Multiply and add. -1 times 4, -4 plus. Come across the left, down with the right. 2 times 1, 2. Across the left, down with the right. 3 times 3, 9. -4 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 9 is 11. 11's our R1, C1. That's what X is. They want you to give it as an ordered triplet, so therefore you're going to write this as 11, comma. Okay, now to find row 2, column 1, I take row 2 times column 1. Sorry. Yeah, row 2 times column 1. Here we go. 0 times 4, 0. 1, cross to the left, down to the right. 1 times 1, 1. Cross to the right, down to the left. 1 plus 12 is 13. Plus 0 is 13, so this is 13, so that's this one here, 13. So now, row 3, column 1, -5 times 4, -20, plus 6 times 1, 6, plus, that's a 0. 0 times 3, 0. So there it is, -14. And you're done. Okay, guys, we'll see you.